If you want to check how strong and secure your saved passwords are in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to view password health in Edge using the built-in Microsoft Password Manager and Password Security Check. This is a really useful feature because it helps you spot weak passwords, reused passwords, and compromised passwords before they become a problem. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu if needed, then go into your browser settings. From there, find the section called Passwords and Autofill. This is where Edge stores and manages your saved login information. Inside that menu, you'll see Microsoft Password Manager. Click on it to open your saved passwords dashboard. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account so Edge can show you your password data securely. After that, look for the Password Security Check option. This is the feature that analyzes your saved passwords and gives you a health report. Click Password Security Check and Edge will start reviewing your passwords. It will scan for weak passwords that are easy to guess, reused passwords that appear on multiple sites, and any passwords that may have been exposed in a data breach. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a clear list of results. If a password is marked as weak or reused, it's a good idea to update it right away. You can click into the saved login, change the password on the website itself, and then save the new one back into Microsoft Password Manager. If you see a compromised password, change it immediately for your security. This step is important because it helps protect your accounts from unauthorized access. You can also use this area to review your saved logins and keep everything organized. Checking password health regularly is one of the easiest ways to improve your online security without needing any extra software. It only takes a minute and it can make a big difference. So again, the path is simple. Go to Passwords and Autofill, open Microsoft Password Manager, and run the Password Security Check. That's how you view password health in Edge. If this tutorial was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful browser and security tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.